Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to deposit your funds into your FBS trading account. So, step 1, log into your FBS dashboard. Go to fbs.com or use the FBS app, and then enter your login credentials. Step 2, go to the finance section. Click the finance or tap the deposit button from the main dashboard. Step 3, choose your payment method. You can select a deposit option, and this could be a bank transfer, e-wallet like Skrill or NetTeller, or crypto like USDT. Step 4, enter deposit amount and details. You can input how much you want to deposit and then fill in the required details such as wallet ID or payment reference. Step 5, complete the transaction. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. And once successful, your balance will reflect in your FBS account, usually within just minutes. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.